In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad. If you have Apple Pencil first generation, then just take off your cap on your Apple Pencil guys to reveal the lightning connector. Just plug the Apple Pencil directly into your iPad's lightning port, or if you have a USB type C, use the USB to Apple Pencil adapter and a USB cable to connect the pencil to the iPad USB port. And when you connect or when you plug the Apple Pencil to your iPad successfully, you will see a plug button over here on your screen. You will see a pair button on your iPad guys. You just need to tap on it to connect your Apple Pencil to your iPad successfully. You will see when you plug your Apple Pencil successfully guys to your iPad, you will see a pair button on your screen. Just tap on it to connect. And if you have guys second generation pencil, then you just need to guys go to your settings and open the Bluetooth and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on, and now attach to iPad. So basically you have to attach the iPad to the magnetic connector on the side of your iPad, and the iPad will automatically recognize and pair with your Apple Pencil guys, and the Apple Pencil will begin charging once the attached to the magnet connector. So yeah, this is how guys you can do it. Hope you like it, and yeah, subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.